truth out loud. Extinct land languages, worm pathways, time traveling, laying tracks and finding a whale, skeleton of the ocean's past, a funeral dirge for a man-made devastation, implements rust in this field, ancient artifacts, rabbit coyotes, trains howling in the night. The biggest myth of communication is that it happened at all, a friend tells me as we discuss the incredible timing of semantics to create the first sparks of connection. In Dreamland, I sometimes walk the edge of a highway leading into the city, and in the center of the city is a domed library, and next to it, open grassy fields with people going about their daily lives, walking places, sitting on blankets, conversing, playing games, eating snacks. The sun is always about to set on this scene. And sometimes, if I'm lucky and if I can remember to, I'll make my body float above the overpass like the princess in Super Mario Bros. 2. When I land, I'll see fireflies, which is a signal that dusk is soon upon us. Dreamland in the dark is an experience. It's filled with both adventure and anxiety. And as I walk down an unfamiliar sidewalk, which is weird because it's actually a path I've taken many nights before, I sometimes have to remember myself that at the end is a taco stand with Java chips. And I'll stop by and I'll place an order and I'll wait in the glow of these Christmas lights as other patrons, late-night travelers like myself, place their own orders. When I walk here, I feel alone and afraid of the darkness, but seeing others like me brings a sense of peace. We are not alone in this strange world that I have imagined.